Hello, welcome back at Shefali. So today we are gonna do a blog, a day in my life as a creator, and we have a long day ahead. We have shoot and makeup artist is coming on and everything. There's a lot going on, and I woke up as you can see, and I washed my hair yesterday because today is Thursday and we are not allowed to use uh, what shampoo and soap. So that's why I washed my hair, dried it, slept in a ponytail, and now I took a shower. And what are we gonna do? And I will tell you. And I will do my skincare. Last night I did my skincare and my skin, nothing, no filter. There is nothing on, and so yeah, let's get started. This is my skincare bag. We're gonna have 4-step skincare. First time I did double cleansing skincare because I bought this Gulab Gel ka face cleanser and it is very nice. I love Gulab Gel. Gulab Gel is very nice. As a brand, it is very nice. So we are gonna do 4-step skincare. So there's my friend. The photographer is actually my friend, and he came from uh, Gujarat because he stays there. He has a studio there, and we had been planning shoot from a while now, but it was not happening for some reason. Now he's in Delhi, and I was like, let's do it. So we might have two shoots, like one Western indoors and one outdoors Indian, and I really want to do that. Oh, by the way, my nails. Please tell me it looks nice because I like it. Okay, so first step toner. I love toners. Not this one. I don't like Mama's toner, but I have to use it since I have it. I just tap gently in. I am a girl जो मेकअप में ही सो जाती है, ठीक है, एंड ये बहुत गंदी हैबिट है मेरी. माई स्किन गोज थ्रू अ टॉर्चर बट ठीक है, अभी तक कोई मेजर इशू नहीं आया. बट व्हेन आई डू माई नाइट केयर, so I do it very nicely because I know it needs that. Okay, second step is the serum. So yeah, so the photographer is now in Delhi and we are planning the shoot, and first shoot is gonna be at my house because it's very easy, too many dresses and I don't have to travel to Noida. To be honest, I'm very lazy to travel to Noida. So yeah, he's gonna come, and there's my senior in my school. She approached me for the makeup and hair. I usually don't have a makeup artist during the shoot, but this time I'm trying something. So ah, see the glow. So she's also coming at my house, and I'm like, what should I cook them? Because I usually मतलब मेरे को खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है. So I'm trying कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ ज़्यादा, but पता नहीं क्यों I get nervous and फिर मैं इंग्लिश में बात करने लग जाती हूँ. And I don't know why I get nervous, but yeah, I'm working on it. So next step is my moisturizer. I love this moisturizer, but इसको थोड़ा ब्रेक लेके लगाना चाहिए. तो दिस इज फॉर माई समर्स, एंड विंटर में शायद आई विल गो बैक टू लैक्मे. आई लव लैक्मे का जो पीच वाला होता है. वेरी नाइस ऑन स्किन, वेरी नाइस ऑन स्किन. बट या सो आई मिक्स देम क्योंकि सनस्क्रीन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो आई टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ दिस बिकॉज दोनों को मिक्स करो ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, एंड आई डोंट लाइक टू मच बिकॉज आई स्वेट अ लॉट. तो मेरे को वैसे भी जैसे तेल वेल पसंद ये लगाना, तो इसलिए लिमिट लिमिट में. तो मेरी आवाज़ बिल्कुल ऐसी हो रही है ना. आई एम नॉट इन आई I'm actually in a very bad mood today, but I'm trying to be, let's remove the ring. I'm trying to be happy about it. But anyway, इसका sunscreen, this is, I love this sunscreen. It's not no sponsor or anything, but I swear by this sunscreen. And like, are you seeing my face right now? See, I love natural looks so much, and lately I'm using this road lip balm. Okay, I hate using lip balm. I am a very matte lips girly, but now what I do is like, because I don't like glossy lips, so at night before sleep I apply this. It stays there. It stays there. It doesn't move. कुछ नहीं, मैं सुबह उठती हूँ, it stays there. So my lips are very soft, and then I can do my makeup and have a matte lip over it. So yeah, but I love the. I'm scared. It has a little tint over it. I don't like too much. Guys, this routine is, there are certain outfits I will show you what happens in the shoot, and I will, if they're comfortable, ये दोनों जब आएंगे, if they're comfortable, I will introduce them here and see you when I get ready. Guys, this is the outfit too, DIY, and this is the photographer. Yay! Oh.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Hot. She's hot. And this is the makeup artist. इन दोनों को follow करना है सबको, and I will link that in description. So let's go. What should we do? Follow.
We could be going to Orange Buffalo.
Alright, thank you, mate. Oh, forget I've got the wherever.
Yeah, we'll.
Guys, so the shoot was done and we wrapped up around 8:30, and I'm so tired and I'm in a lot of pain, cramps obviously, and I had my medicine and everything, and now I'm watching just a little bit of anime, and I know voice will be bad for it. So I will meet you guys tomorrow, and I will insert some little clips, and yeah, I will sleep and see you tomorrow, and I will end the vlog then. And yeah, I'm watching little bit of Dan. Wait, I will show you.
I said pastoral, not patty. Now die, you cretins! Don't let him hit you!